So today's video is a full face of Fenty Beauty. We're doing a hot girl summer vibes with Fenty Beauty today. I am so excited because I am living for this look. You know, all Fenty'd out, really simple, and I think it's fire. Simple fire looks are my favorite because they're simple and they're fire. Like, hands are ashy. I need some lotion. I'm gonna use this baby version of the Fenty primer. This was definitely one of those 100-point perfects at Sephora. Gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation in 420. Using the beauty blender here. I feel like this foundation is perfect for the summertime because it gives you a nice full coverage, but it's not really thick. Like, so I think it works really well for summer because in the summer when you want full cover, you're just not trying to be caked up with the full cover. You know, you want a nice non-cakey full coverage foundation. So I think this is perfect. Yeah, I still don't shave my mustache, girl. I need to get with it. I haven't been to Sally's. That's where I get my blades from. Actually, I get them on Amazon sometimes, but I've been telling myself that I'm gonna go to Sally's, so I'll just get it in store. But clearly it hasn't happened, so I should have just ordered them on Amazon. I've also seen some electric razors at Sephora and I want to try it, but I don't know, I'm a little skeptical. I'll put a picture of it so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but I want to try it. I just don't know anyone who has used it, so I'm not really sure if it's worth the money. I think this coverage is pretty good, so I'm going to go into concealer. I'm going to use the Fenty concealers. Oh, actually, I wanted to try adding a little bit of the concealer over my foundation. I know Andrea uses the concealer as foundation, so I wanted to try a little bit of it over my foundation. Actually, I should have just used this. I'm going to add a little bit over it. This gives a really nice extra full coverage, so wow. I'm going to go in with 390. It's a little bit lighter. I have 380 somewhere around here, but I have no clue where it is, so we're gonna go in with 390, which is a little bit lighter than my foundation. And we're just gonna go around here. Yellow diamond in money. Oh, what I did, girl. I always make sure I go right in here because a lot of times it creases on me. Just gonna take the rest and put it on my eyelid. I'm gonna use Espresso from the Matchsticks, which is this one. Ooh, this is dirty. Oh my gosh, don't mind her. Memory card with a little hole. We're gonna just, you know, take away like 10 pounds. Just blend it all in together so it looks nice and blended. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes so it doesn't crease on me. So we're gonna use Banana. This powder is looking a little on the white side. Hopefully this doesn't stay. I literally just remembered that you're supposed to go really light with this powder and I did the opposite of that. So hopefully we could fix this in a couple of seconds because I made a mistake. I'm taking honey for the rest of my face and I'm just gonna set like right under here, you know. Honey is a little bit more yellow. Next, we're gonna do a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna use Mocha Mami, which is a less darker shade right here. Yeah, screw it. I go back here and I just go over my cheek right here. So, guys, you gotta get snatched to get snatched, okay? I'm just kidding, y'all. Let's go in here, all up in here, you know what I'm saying. I have all these Fenty Kilowatts here and I'm gonna just choose some colors from these for my eyes because I feel like I could do a nice summer look, but it's the one with the purple and the orange color. Girl, you need to wash your brushes. These is all dirty, every one of them. I use this flat brush to apply this color all over my eyelid. I'm actually gonna spray it with some Fix Plus so that it doesn't have so much fallout. Oh, I don't have any fancy spray at all actually. I was gonna say the body lava, but that's not a spray and that would just be messy. So we're gonna just put this in here. This is beautiful. This is beautifuler than I thought. Yes, I just made up a word. And what you can do about it. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. So the reason why I got a new camera is I love my dear old camera because, you know, it's my baby. I got a new camera, which is actually an old camera. I actually had this camera before I got the last camera that I had, and I decided to upgrade to the one I had, not knowing that it would cause me tons and tons of distress. I don't really know what it was about the camera, but it just was not working with me, and the lighting, and it just was not, it was just not working out. Okay, it was just really not working out. So the other camera that I had in mind was a 5D Mark IV, but I watched a ton of videos before I purchased this camera, but apparently the autofocus is just not as good as the ADD for video. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the ADD because it's good. It has the same amount of megapixels for video. I'm not doing 4K because 4K is crazy. 4K is crazy, so I decided to go with this one. Hopefully I like it. Hopefully you like it, because that's what's most important, you know what I mean? Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like this quality better. Rihanna, honey, we are still waiting on mascara, but today we're gonna use Milk Kush mascara, one of my favorites. I have so many favorite mascaras right now, like y'all don't even know. It's just so exciting. I love good mascaras. I'm gonna use a little bit of Fenty For You Thoughts on my cheeks. One of my favorites from Fenty. I like to just go in with a brush like this, and then I just pounce it into my cheek. It just adds a really nice, it adds a nice amount of shimmer and just really gives me a nice bronzy look. Like I will literally look like a bronze statue, you know, the original Statue of Liberty. Is that true? Is it really, was the Statue of Liberty really bronze? Like, is that the truth? My face looks so powdery. I have to spray it because this looks really powdery. I'm gonna use this fan to dry my face. We're gonna go in with this Fenty lipstick in the color Shawty. Shawty. I'm gonna use Unattached liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put this in the center. And of course, we had to do a gloss bomb, so I'm gonna use Diamond Milk today. I feel like I need a little bit of eyeliner, so I'm gonna use this Nude Stix liner in the color Copper Foil. The color is Copper Foil. I'm gonna throw on these Kiss lashes in the color, the style Chiffon. Chiffon. That's what they look like. I'm gonna throw these on. So I throw on my lashes. We are summertime fine, okay? Fenty slaying out here, 2019. And you know, hot girl summer, hashtag, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel. Why you didn't subscribe yet? Huh? Why? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!